How to remove Avast antivirus completely from computer. You can't close the Avast antivirus. So to remove it, go to Start, click Settings, click Apps, click Install tab. Look for Avast antivirus. If you can't find it, then search from here. When you find it, click on the three dots. Click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. Click Yes. Avast installation program will appear. Choose Uninstall. Click Escape and Uninstall. Confirm it by clicking on Uninstall. Uninstall process has been started. Wait for some moment. Done. Now click on Restart button to completely remove Avast from computer. And that's how you can remove Avast antivirus completely from computer. Thanks for watching.